Hello everyone, this is me Mariam Khan, e-commerce wali, and I'm a student of Rehan School Online Academy Batch 3. And today we are very honored to have our special guest Mutahira Business Wali with us. Let's begin this amazing interview and get to know her journey and success story. So let's start. Assalamualaikum Mutahira Business Wali.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसी हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। आप कैसी हैं?
जी मैं भी ठीक। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। कैन यू प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ?
Okay. My name is Mutahira, as known as Mutahira Business Valley. I am 16 years old and I study at Rahan School Tuition Academy and I live in Pakistan. I am passionate about business learning and personal growth.
What inspired you to start your business journey?
Okay, I was inspiring to my father who is businessman, watching them hard work and being his business motivate me follow the same path. I want to become a successfully businesswoman and make me my family proud.
How did your journey begin?
Okay, my journey began with currently about business and to learn new skills and could help me grow personally and professionally.
Oh, what was your first step in business?
Okay, my first step was learning and business through books, online resources, and experience people around me.
What challenges did you face at the start?
Okay, the biggest challenges were lack of experience, limited resources, and balancing study with business activities.
How did you overcome those challenges?
Okay, I stayed constant, keep learning, and never stop believing in myself.
Who supported you at the most?
Okay, my family and my father supported encourages and throughout my journey.
How does success mean to you?
Okay, success mean achieving my goals, where help and inspiring others.
What motivates you daily?
Okay, my dream and my family and to become a successfully businesswoman motivate me every day.
Did you ever feel like giving up?
Yes, where we different difficult moment, but I need always change to stop me.
What kept you going during tough times?
Okay, my faith, my family support, and my future goals keep me moving forward.
What is your biggest achievement?
Okay, my biggest achievement is starting my business journey at a younger age and learning new skills.
What is the biggest failure and lesson?
Okay, one lesson I learned in the mistake are part of growth. Every challenges teach something variable.
What skills are important in business?
Okay, communication, leadership, time management, problem solving, and teamwork are skills that important in business.
How do you manage stress?
Okay, I manage stress by staying organized, thinking, break, and focus on positive thinking.
What is your daily routine?
Okay, my daily routine is I attend class, work on my learning goals, improve my skills, and speak time plans from the future.
How do you manage competition?
Okay, I focus on improving myself instead of communication my ourself with others.
What is leadership according to you?
Okay, leadership is inspiring guidance and help others achieve success in together.
Uh, how important is education in business?
Education is very important because it helps us make better decision and understand opportunities.
Experience or education? What matter more?
Both are important. Education provided knowledge while experience teach practical lesson.
How do you build customers' trust?
I build trust by being honest, keeping my promise, and provided variable to people.
What strategies help you in your growth?
Okay, constant learning new skills, networking, and use social media help me grow.
What tools do you use?
Okay, I use social media platforms, apps, and online learning resources to improve my work.
Uh, what tools do you use?
मैं आंसर दे चुकी हूँ. I use
How
social
do you
media
stay
platforms. Yes, can you ask again?
how do you stay updated?
Okay. I learn activities, watch educational video, attend workshop, and learn from expand people's.
What is your opinion about risk taking?
Okay. Talking smart and calculation risk is important to grow and success.
How do you handle pressure?
Okay, I stay claim focused our solution and complete task on step at a time.
What are your business goals?
Okay, my business goal is to becoming a successfully businesswoman and create opportunities for others.
How do you plan your work?
Okay, I am daily schedule stay and track my programs regularly.
What advice for beginners?
Okay, start small, keep learning, stay proud, and never give up on your dreams.
What mistakes should beginners avoid?
They should avoid instant quiet success and give up too early.
What is your success formula?
Okay, work hard, learn and your self believe and my success formula.
How do you stay confident?
Okay, I stay confident by focus on my stress and continues improve myself.
How do you balance life and work?
Okay, I manage my time carefully and make sure both my studies and goals get pro attentive.
What is your dream project?
Okay, my dream project is to build a successfully business platform that help younger people learn and grow.
How do you improve your skills?
Okay, uh, I practice regularly, stay feedback and learn from different fields.
What is your opinion about teamwork?
Okay, teamwork is important because create result and achievement with people work together.
Um, who is your biggest achieve? Who is your biggest inspiration?
Okay, my biggest inspiration is my father because of his hard work, dedicated and business expand.
What role does patience play in success?
Okay, patient is inspect because success take time and constant effect.
How do you handle negative people?
I stay positive, focus on my goals, and avoid negative people.
What is your definition of success?
Okay, success is achievement. Your goals make a positive impact and become the best variable for yourself.
How do you stay positive?
Okay, I stay positive by focus on my goals because grateful and surrounding yourself with peoples.
What changes did business bring in your life?
Okay, business help me become more confident, respectable, and goal organized.
What is your biggest strength?
Okay, my biggest strength is my determination to keep learning and improving.
What is your weakness and how do you improve it?
Okay, sometime I overthinking is improve my focused on solution and take action.
What advice for future entrepreneurs?
Okay, start today, stay constant, and do not be afraid or making mistake because every mistake teach or learn.
What is the most important quality for a leader?
A most important quality of a leader is encourages and able to inspire others.
How do you focus on your goals?
I remind myself why I started my keeping my long team wish in mind.
What inspired your career choose?
Uh, my father business journey and my insight in entrepreneurship inspire me career choose.
How do you handle criticism?
Okay, I listen carefully, learn from constant feedback, and use into improve myself.
What was your turning point?
My turning point was realize that age should never stop someone from pressure their goals.
How do you maintain discipline?
Okay, I follow a schedule, stay clear goals, and stay constant my responsibilities.
What do you think about business risk?
Okay, can you ask again?
What do you think about business risks?
Risks are necessary to grow, but they should by collective were planned.
How do you deal with failure?
Okay, I treat failure as a learning experience and use in their motivational to improve.
What habits made you successful?
Consist continue learning, positive thinking, and good time management.
How do you stay motivated every day?
Okay, my dream and my family and my dream and my family to create a better future keep me motivated.
Oh, what is your long-term vision?
Okay, my long term goal is to become a successfully businesswoman and help uh, grow people achieve their goals.
How do you improve discussion making?
Okay, I improve thinking carefully and learn from path experience because making distance
What is your opinion about innovation?
uh, is important because it help business grow and stay change world.
How do you handle uncertainty?
Okay, I stay relaxable, focus on when I can continue and remain positive during challenges.
What is your leadership style?
Okay, my leadership style is my leadership style is based on teamwork, honesty, learn and supported others.
What makes a business successful?
Okay, successfully business need hard work, customer through good planning and continue improving.
How do you handle financial challenges?
Okay, I focus on small planning, learning, and use resources carefully.
What is your marketing challenges?
Okay, my marketing challenge is to share variable contact, continue with peoples, and build truth.
How do you attract customers?
Okay, I attract customers by providing variable, uh, be- uh, being honest, and managing good relationship.
What is your proudest moment?
Okay, my proudest moment is starting my journey at a younger age and see myself improve every day.
How you define hard work?
Hard work mean is staying constant, give very best effect, and not giving up.
What is your opinion on smart work?
Smart work is important because it helps us achieve better result with better planning.
How do you keep learning?
I keep learning through books, online resources, courses, and experience.
What is your biggest life lesson?
My biggest life lesson is that constant can true dream into reality.
How do you overcome fear?
I face fear by believing in myself and taking small steps toward my goals.
What is your opinion on self confidence?
Self confidence is very important because it helps us take opportunity and grow.
How do you manage time effectively?
Okay, I am taking tasks, make schedule, and avoid wasting time.
What inspires your creativity?
Okay, learning new things, observe successfully peoples, and experience new ideas inspire me creativity.
How do you set goals?
I set clear goals, make a plan, and work constant to create them.
What is your future plan?
My future plan is to become a successfully businesswoman and create something variable.
How do you handle responsibility?
Okay, I take responsibility resource by try to complete every task with decision.
What is your advice to students?
Focus on your education, learn new skills, and believe in that you can achieve your dreams.
How do you stay productive?
I plan my day, focus on improving tasks, and keep improving myself.
What do you think about success and failure?
Success give happiness and failure give lesson. Both help us grow.
Um, how do you handle unexpected problems?
Okay, I stay claim thinking positive and find the best positive solution.
What is your daily motivation quote?
Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop believing in myself.
How do you deal stress in business?
Okay, I manage stress by staying organized, taking break, and keep is positive mindset.
What is your opinion on teamwork importance?
Teamwork is important because people can achieve big goals by spending each other's.
How do you keep improving yourself?
I learn from every experience, achieve feedbacks, and continue development my skills.
What is your biggest dream?
Okay, my biggest dream is become a successfully businesswoman and inspiring other younger people.
What message do you give to society?
Okay, always supported younger people, encourages learning, and believe in the power for hard work.
Any final message for entrepreneurs?
Okay, stay with what you have. Stay constant and do not be afraid of change.
Any final word for our audience?
Okay, thank you listening. Thank you for all listening. Always believe in yourself. Work hard and remember that every big success starts with a small step.
That's all for today's interview. Thank you so much, Mutahira, for sharing your valuable and inspiring thoughts with us. And thank you for everyone for watching. Goodbye.
Welcome. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.